So we are, dear students, we are continuing our statistics chapter which we started in the last class. That is 14th chapter. We have for 14.1, 14.2, 14.3, 14.4, 4 exercises. So first exercise completely on mean. Once you see the formulas, that is third formula, fourth formula, fifth formula. Once you check. So now I am solving page number 337. All of you open the page number 337 in your textbook. 337. This is exercise 14.1. So we are starting the problems. Write down the second problem. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of the factory. A table is given. Find the mean. What we have to find? Mean. Mean of daily wages of workers of the factory by using appropriate method. So appropriate method means we have three methods. One is direct method. Second is assumed mean method. Third is step deviation method. So any method you can adopt. First I will explain using the first method only, direct method. After that I will explain other two methods also. So whichever is convenient you can do it. So write down the second problem, write the table. So this is daily wages, that is we call it as a class interval, and this is second one is frequency. So write down this table. Write this table. Class interval is given, frequency is given. So 200 to 250. Write down the table. 200 to 250. 250 to 300. 300 to 350. 350 to 400. 400 to 450. And frequency is 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Write the table. Just look at the yesterday's problem, how we did. See the yesterday's problem, all of you see the yesterday's problem. See the yesterday's problem. 12, 14, 8, 6, 10, 200, 250, 250, 300, 300, 350, 350, 400, 400 to 450. Now, see here. First we find xi. Xi means it is mid value of the class. Mid value of this class. It is also called class mark. So we represent frequency by Fi. Xi means mid value of the class. So this is the class. What is the mid value? We write here. So that is also called class marks. And after writing the Xi, then we write Fi into Xi. We multiply this and this. We prepare the table here. We fill this column. That's all. And after that, what is the process? Add all these values, add all these values, add all these values, and add all these values. That's all. Then what is the formula for mean? Mean formula sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. Very simple. These two are given. You prepare these two. Add all this right in the numerator. Add all this right in the denominator. That is the answer. This is the direct method. This is direct method. The third formula. Do it. What is the mid value? I will give one hint and you can prepare it. So mid value means here. Mid value means 200 plus 250. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 450 by 2, 225. 450 by 2 is 225. 200 plus 250, 450 by 2 is 225. 225. Next, 250 plus 300. 250 plus 300 by 2. Do it. 550. 275. 275. See, need not do everything because if the class intervals are same, what is the difference here? 50-50 difference. You can go on adding 50-50. That is also enough. So 275 means 50. 50 is added, you will get 325. 300 plus 350 by 2 is 325. 350 plus 400 by 2 is 750. Add 50 to it. 50-50 adding 375. Again 50 added 425. Then this how I prepared? Mid values of the class. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So this is 450 by 2 is 225. 225 I wrote. 50-50 difference. So 275, 75 plus 50. So 325 plus 50, 375 plus 50, 425. Now multiply these two and fill this table. Multiply these two right here and add all those right in the numerator. Add all these right in the denominator. That's all. Multiply. Multiply these two right here. Do it. Into 225. Multiply. Next. Do it. Do the multiplication. 14 into 375. 14 5 is 77. 14 7 is 98 plus 7 105. 10. 14 2 is 28 plus 10 38. Next. 8 5 is 40. 8 5 is 44. 8 2 is 16. 4 22. 8 3 is 24. 26. Six into 375. 6 into 5 30. 3. 6 7 is 21 plus 3 24. 6 5 is 33. 6 7 is 42 plus 3 45. 6 7 is 42 plus 3 45. 4 6 3 is 18 plus 4 22. 10 into 425 is 4250. See the multiplication. this into this multiplication is correct or not, you also check. And after that we have to add 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. 5, 10, 15, 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11, 19, 26. 2. 2 plus 4, 6, 8, 10, 13, 15. You once check. You check whether it is correct or not. Students, you do the multiplication. Add all this. 12, 6 plus 8, 14, 18, 20. 6, 14, 18, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already in the question itself it is given that there are 50 observations. So 50. So answer is 15,650 by 50. What is the answer? See here. 15,650 by 50. 0, 0 cancel. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5 3s are 313 answer. This is the procedure. So just look at it. Sangareddy branch, Muttangi, Ayyappa Society branch. Badangpet, Neredcherla, Abdullapur Met. Okay, students. So this is the direct method we applied, and after getting some practice, so first let all of you perfect in this method, then I will go to the next method. But actually this method, of course, numbers are big, multiplication, big numbers we are getting, but process is simple, easy to remember. This is given, only we have to fill these two. So this is this plus this by 2. 200 plus 250 by 2, 450 by 2 is 225. Add 50, 50. 225 plus 50 is 275 plus 50, 325 plus 50, 375 plus 50, 425. Then multiply these two. You know how to multiply. You know how to add. You know how to add this. This by this is the answer. This is the direct method, and of course, if simplification may be bit difficult but easy to remember. So you remember this method, and next problem also I will apply the same method. After that I will explain the next method also, that is assumed mean method. First you become perfect in this, otherwise you will get confusion. Okay, first this direct method you become perfect. Third problem you write. Write down the third problem from the textbook. Third problem from the textbook. Class interval, frequency, 11 to 13. 7. 13 to 15. 6. 15 to 17. 9. 17 to 19. 13. 19 to 21. F. 21 to 23. 5. 23 to 25. 4. 7, 6, 9, 13, 4, F, 5, 4. This is the given table. Next, what is the next step? Find xi, then fi into xi. You know the process. Same process you apply. Find mid values of these classes. Fill this table. Mid value, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Do it and fill that column. Fill that column. Eleven plus 13 by 2. 11 plus 13, 24 by 2 is 12. 11 plus 13, 24 by 2 is 12. So what is the difference? 2 difference. Next 2 difference. See here, 11, 13 difference is 2. So 2 difference you can write. Otherwise 13 plus 15 by 2. 15 plus 17 by 2. 17 plus 19 by 2. 19 plus 21 by 2 also you can fill. Or 2 difference. 11, 13, what is the difference? 2 difference. So after 12, 14. After 14, 16. 18. 20. 22. 24. Multiply these two and write here. And add all those values, which is this, and add all these values. So this is the sigma, sum of the frequencies, and sum of the product of this frequency and the class marks. So the mean formula, I am using the direct method, that is third formula. Yesterday I gave the formulas. So the third formula I am using, mean is equal to sigma fi into xi, the sum of all these values by sum of these values. Write down. Seven into 12, 84. 14 into 6. 16 into 9. 13 into 18. F into 20. 20F. F into 20, 20F. F into 20, 20F. 20F. 22 into 5. 22 into 5, 110. 24 into 4. Add all this. See, except this F, you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and you write 20 plus 20F same. Don't consider this. First you add these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 5 you add and 20 plus F, it is a different term. 20 plus F as it is. Keep 20 plus F same. Remaining only you add and write here. This total you add and write plus 20 plus F is same. How much? 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 16, 22. 4, 8, 12, 16, 22, 2, 9, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, 27, 35, 3, 4, 3 plus 9, 3 plus 1, 4, 5. Just check it. 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 22, 2 plus 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. Do the simplification. Is it 752? Anybody did? Okay, 752, you can't add 20F. 20F is, this is a different number. So keep as it is, plus 20F say. So what is this? 7 plus 6, 13, 22, 35, 40, 44 plus F. See here, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 13, 22, 31, 37, 44 plus F is same, F is same, F is separately written. Now write this in the formula. So in this problem, actually mean is not asked because this value F is not given, no, so mean is not asked. So what is this F? F only we have to find. Mean is 18. Mean is 18. It is given. Mean is 18 given. See the question. Mean packet allowance is 18. Mean is 18. That is given. And the sigma Fi into Xi is 752 plus 20F by sigma Fi is 44 plus Ef. This is the procedure. Cross multiply, bring it to the left side. 18 into 44 plus Ef is equal to 752 plus 20F. Same. Numerator is same. 752 plus 20F same. This is taken to the left side. Here it is in denominator. It will become multiplication for 18. 18 into this. Multiply. 18 for the 72. 18 into F, 18F. All F, 18F minus 20F, 752 minus 792. Do it. Do the simplification and tell the answer. What is F value? $18 minus 20 is minus 2F. This is minus 40. Minus minus cancel. F is equal to 40 by 2 is 20. Answer. See here, no confusion. Same process. Class interval is given. Don't write. Just look at. Class interval is given. Frequency. This is given in the question. Then we find the mid values of the classes, also called class marks, represented by xi. This is the symbol. So 11 plus 13 by 2. 11 plus 13 is 24. 24 by 12 is 12. So 2 difference. 12 means 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 are 23 plus 25 by 2. 48 by 2 is 24. Then multiply these two. 7 into 12, 84. 6 into 14, 84. 9 into 16, 144. 13 into 18, 234. F into 20, 20F only. 5 into 22, 110. 4 into 24, 96. Add these. So except this is a different term. This is a different term. These are all constants and it is having some unknown value. So we can't add. First you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You add 752 plus 20F is same. Same way add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will get 44 plus F is same. So the formula for mean is sigma Fi into xi by sigma F. So this is the 752 plus 20F by this is 44 plus F. But mean is given in this problem. This is a different problem. First two we are asked to find mean. But here mean is given. We are asked to find F. So mean is 18. This is 752 plus 20F. This is 44 plus F. This if you take it to the left side, it will become multiplication. Here it is a denominator means division means it will become multiplication for 18. 18 into 44, 792. 18 into F, 18F. 752 plus 20F. 20F this side minus 20F. 18F minus 20F is minus 2F. 752 minus 792 is minus 40. Minus minus cancel by 2, that is 20. Students, did you follow it or not? Followed or not? Same method, all are same method. One problem I will give to you, so you do it and the remaining I will do. You do the 6 sixth problem. Sixth problem you do. Same model. 100 to 150. 4. 150 to 200. 5. 200 to 250. 12. 250 to 300. 12. 2. 4, 5, 12 to 300 to 350. 2. That's all. Do the problem. Do it all of you. Same process. First step is xi, mid values of the classes, mid value. Mid values you write down. Fourth, fifth also I will explain. But because this is having only 5 rows, so I gave it as a practice problem to you. All problems I will solve. I am not giving any homework. Each and every problem I will explain. But first you solve this using same method. But after this, next problems I will apply another method, because I told fourth and fifth formula, no? So we did not use it till now, because you have to get practice in this. Then I will explain the fourth formula and fifth formula. Maybe tomorrow we will go to that fourth formula, because here it is question. The question it is not asked apply third formula or fourth formula, fifth formula. It is not mentioned. So whichever is convenient to you, you can do it. But first is little bit convenience. That means third formula is convenient. So we let us practice it perfectly. Tomorrow another method, and day after tomorrow another method, so that you will be perfect in direct method. Next is assumed mean method. Next is step deviation method. So do it. Hundred plus 150 by 2. 100 plus 150 by 2. 250 by 2 is 125. Like that you prepare. Next step is 150 plus 200 by 2 is 350 by 2, 175. So need not, because the difference is 50, 50, 50, 50, 50 difference. So if you had 50, 50, you will get the full all the mid values. So next mid value will be definitely 50 is added 175. 50 is added 225. 50 is added 275. 50 is added 325. How we got 325? By seeing the first one 50, 50 add, or again every time you can do 300 plus 350 by 2. 300 plus 350, 650 by 2 is 325. Like that. Then next step is multiply these two, fi into xi. Multiply. Do it. After multiplication, you add all these values, which is called sigma fi into xi, and all these frequencies, which is sigma fi. So then the formula for mean is, I am using the direct method. The formula for mean is do it. One 125 into 4. Anybody did the multiplication? 500. 175 into 5. Anybody did? What is the sum? Did you add it? Add 5, 10, 17. See here, is it correct or not? Anybody did the calculation? Is it correct? Now what about this sum? Cancel with 5 table and 5 table 2 times and get the answer. Do it. Five two seven five by 25. 5 fives are 5 ones are 0. 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5 twos are 211. Do the division. Or you can do like this. 5275 by 25. 25 twos are 50. One number. Two. 25 ones are 25. 2. 25 ones are 25. Any division? Any doubt in this? Okay, good. You also did. Students, do this fifth problem. Write down the table neatly. Same method you try to do it and get the answer. Get the answer and compare your answer with the textbook answer. All of you do this and let us conclude. And tomorrow I will continue and remaining problems I will explain tomorrow. But tomorrow I will solve the same same questions by another formula, because you should know that method also. This method anyway you got a lot of practice. So today we did some problems, yesterday also we did, and this also you are going to do. So almost all 5 problems you did in this first method, that is direct method, and after that assumed mean method, step deviation method. Tomorrow one model and next day after tomorrow one model, so that we will complete the mean. We are going little slow only, no problem.